Last night, students. Today I'll give some MCQ, multiple choice question from chapter 1. Now, question number 1. Which of the following is an irrational number? Which of the following is an irrational number? So, irrational number, you should know, all root numbers are irrational numbers which are not perfect square, but root number which are perfect square, that are not irrational number. Now, and pi also is an irrational number. Now see, root over 4.4 by 9, it is a square number because 4 means 2 square. You can write, I have written here 2 by 3 whole square. So 2 by 3 whole square, 2 to the 4, 3 to the 9. That's why it will be a whole square. Square and root cancel. So 2 by 3. So it will come out from root. That's why it is a rational number, not irrational. Root 7. Root 7 is not perfect square number. And it is not come out from root also. So it is an irrational number. But root 81, if you see root 81 is a rational number. Because root 81 you can write root 81 equal root 9 square. 9 square equal 9. So it will come out from root. So the numbers which will not come out from root, that are irrational number. 4 by 5 is a rational number, fraction, p by q. So this is also rational number because 4 by 9 we can express whole square. But root 7, you cannot make a whole square. So root 7 is always root 7. And all root numbers are irrational numbers if they are not perfect square number. If they are perfect square, then that are rational numbers. That's why answer is root 7. Now next question. Which of the following are irrational? So this one, irrational, root numbers, this one, root number. All root numbers are irrational numbers if they are not perfect square. And here, which of the following are irrational? It is decimal irrational, 0.14. It is terminating decimal, it stops. The terminating decimals are rational numbers, not irrational. Number 2, 0.14363636. It is non-terminating but repeating. It comes again and again, 36, 36, 36, 36, 36, 36. That's why it is a rational number. Terminating decimals are rational numbers. Non-terminating, repeating, recurring decimals are rational numbers. Now see this one, 0.010203 ... You cannot say this one which one repeated. And this one non-terminating also. Non-terminating, this one non-repeating. And question number 4, if you see 0.010010001 ... It is also non-terminating and it is repeating, non-repeating. It is non-terminating, non-repeating. It is non-terminating, non-repeating. So these two both are irrational numbers. Non-terminating, non-repeating, that are irrational numbers. So answer will be 3 and 4, both. 1 and 2 not rational numbers. 1 and 2 rational numbers, and these are not rational numbers. Which of the following is rational? Now you are asked to find rational. Already I told root numbers are irrational numbers if they are not perfect square. So 3 is not perfect square number. So root 3 is an irrational number. Root 3 is an irrational number. Pi, always you remember it, pi is an irrational number. C, 4 by 0. This is undefined. And 0 by 4. 0 by 4 is 0. 0 by 4 is 0. This is undefined. You cannot define it. And 0 by 4 is 0. 0 by 4 is 0. Means 0 by 1 you can write 0 by 2, 0 by 4, P by Q like this. So this is a rational number. You know root 3 irrational, pi irrational, and C undefined, 4 by 0. But 0 by 4 means 0. You can write 0 by 1, 0 by 2 like this. 0 by 3. So this is a rational number like P by Q. This is rational number. So answer is 0 by 4. Now next question. Which of the following is non-terminating decimal? Which of the following is non-terminating decimal? Non-terminating decimal. To be non-terminating decimal, you remember it, that denominator, this denominator should be extra factor other than 2 and 5. What I am telling, if denominator is factors of 2 and 5, then it is terminating decimal, only 2 and 5. Maybe only 2, maybe only 5, and maybe both. Only 5 and 2, both. Here, if you check it, if denominator is factors of only 2 or only 5 or only 5 and 2 both, then it will be terminating decimal. Otherwise, it will be non-terminating decimal. Now, 24 by 39, it is cancelable. 3 8s are 24, 3 13s are 39. 13 by 8. Now 13 by 8 means we can write 2 into 2 into 2. Since denominator is factors of only 2, so it is terminating. Means if you divide 13 by 8, then after some digits it will stop. After some digits it will stop. It will not come again and again. It will not come again and again. So 13 by 2 into 2 into 2. 8 is factors of 2. So it is terminating decimal. It is terminating decimal. Now 3 by 16. 16 means what? How many 2s are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 2s are 16. So it is also terminating decimal because it is 2 to the power 4. Means 16 is only factors of 2. So it is terminating decimal. But you remember, if these 2s are cancelable, then you have to cancel it. 3 by 11. Here there is no factors of 2 and 5. Maybe factors of 2 and 5. Other than 2 and 5, if it has extra factor, then it will be non-terminating. Sometimes maybe 2 and 5 also. But it has another extra factor which is not cancelable with numerator. Cannot cancel it. If the denominator has extra factor other than 2 and 5, then it is non-terminating. But in this fraction, 2 and 5 not there, no problem. But remember, it extra factor 11 is there. This is 11 is prime number. Since it has extra factor, or except 2 and 5 it has one another factor 11, then it is non-terminating. Why I am telling? Because 2 and 5 you can make it 2 to the power 0, 5 to the power 0, like this you can make it. So ultimately, except 2 and 5 it has another one extra factor, that is 11. So it is non-terminating. Now 137 by 25. 25 means what? 5 into 5. The denominator is factors of 5 only. So it is terminating. So answer will be 11 by 13. It is non-terminating. Now question number 5. An irrational number between 2 and 2.5. An irrational number, it should be irrational number between 2 and 2.5. Which one? Root 11, root 5, options are given. Root 22.5, root 12.5. Between 2 and 2.5. Now you square it. 2 square equal 4. 2.5 square equals 6.25. Now take root. Root 4 and this is root 4. I have cut this one. Okay. I have cut this one. Between root 4 and root 6.25. So when you take root number between this and this, these two root number between these two root number is 5, and 5 is an irrational number. So irrational number between root 4 and root 6.25 means 2 and 2.25. 2.5 is root 5 because root 5 is between root 4 and root 6.25. So from here we can say the root 5 is an irrational number between 2 and 2.5.